the baby got it. Ooh, she live at the party. Popping angles on the film. And my Chanel views been going up. We just got an M.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we will be doing a Bantu knot out, and if you're interested in this video, please keep on watching. This is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is my first time trying the curl maintenance as my styler for a Bantu knot out. My hair feels super soft and fluffy, and I definitely would have had better results if I would have slept through the night with them in my hair. If you are new to my channel, welcome to the fam bam. I love you so much, and guys, never forget, at the end of the day, without regrets, love yourself and be you to full. Bye guys.